Okay, so current situation, I'm at a red light right now, so I figured I would talk to you guys for a minute and let you know what I'm doing. I'm probably just going to film a shop with me since I have to take some stuff to Hobby Lobby. Let me show you what I'm taking back. So I had a change of heart on this. Remember me saying I was going to do a DIY? I decided not to do it, and then I just don't like this. I tried to like it, but it just wasn't my thing, and it didn't go good in that spot. So I'm just going to find something else to do with that table in my hallway. I know I'm so indecisive on that table, but I just cannot figure out what to put there. So I'm going to leave my Instagram handle right here. If you know what table I'm talking about, or you watching in my cleaning videos, please send me some inspiration, some links to some Pinterest stuff online, because I just don't know what to do. I'm like stuck. I think it's just because I don't like the table and I don't think anything is going to match it. So we'll see. I'm about to go in Hobby Lobby. Well, I'm going to go lay in the tanning bed first, and then I'm going to go check out Hobby Lobby. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a quick disclaimer. I'm about to look like the Hot Mess Express when I get out of here, so don't mind that. So I know I showed these last time that I did a shop with me at Hobby Lobby, but I'm really wanting one of these, but wood is not on sale this week, so I think I'm going to wait until next week to buy it. My girls used to have these right here, and we lost them in the move, but they are so convenient if they like to bring their like coloring books and stuff to the living room. They're really convenient to have because it just holds everything. It leaves less mess, so I definitely recommend those. I'm not going to buy them today, but I'm going to consider rebuying them soon. So I just found this, and I just bought a wax warmer just like this. So I think this would be really cute in the kitchen somewhere. I've actually thought about getting this sign right here to put in the living room because we don't have anything. I just love that farmhouse style font right there. Y'all don't just ignore these hands of mine. I have on new blue jeans and they make my hands turn blue. But when did Hobby Lobby start carrying bath bombs? I'm in a hurry now. I'm almost late back from work. I mean from break. Those are cute. Those are really cute. But I have to hurry up and get back because my hour's almost up. Y'all are not gonna believe me when I tell you, but I just went in Hobby Lobby and returned the stuff that I had purchased. Yes, they did take back the stuff that didn't have the receipt, and I didn't buy anything. What is my life coming to? So how many of you can say that you went to Hobby Lobby and came out making money? Because that's what I just did. I'm so proud of myself. Actually, I wanted so much in there, but you just don't have enough time to shop in Hobby Lobby when you're on break at work. It's just impossible. Now, I'm not saying I haven't done it before, but I just don't have enough time to brainstorm and Pinterest and Google while I'm in there, because that's what I do. Let me know down in the comments if when you're in Hobby Lobby, you're on Pinterest at the same time. So anyways, thank you guys for watching another video. I'm about to head back into work. And don't forget that if you have any suggestions or anything for me for that table in my hallway, please DM me on Instagram and let me know, or leave it down in the comments, because I'm not good at that stuff and I need all the inspiration I can get. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.